Hey guys, how's it going? How to vote if your name is not on the voter list. So, confirm your registration status online through your state's election office website. If your name is not listed, bring valid identification, as some states allow you to vote provisionally with a photo ID, and ask for a provisional ballot at your polling place. This allows you to vote while your eligibility is verified later. After voting provisionally, check with your local election office to confirm that your vote was counted. If you discover that you're not registered, complete your voter registration as soon as possible for future elections. These steps help ensure you can participate even if your name isn't listed. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.